What are you afraid of when you look deeply within? Are you afraid of opening memories and reliving nightmares? Or is it something you don't even understand? The system you're born into keeps you from exploring your innermost self by constantly occupying your mind. Noise, news, disruption, and distortion are everywhere. Even when you're alone, many of you turn to televisions, news sources, or social media for entertainment, believing it fulfills you. But it's all designed to distract you from being with yourself and exploring your deepest parts. We ask you to unplug, retreat to a comfortable place that helps you regain balance. Be still, let your thoughts quiet. Many call this meditation, but it's more than that. Connecting with your deepest self requires more than meditation alone. It demands intention and purpose. Many who meditate lack this willingness. The key to a peaceful existence is a calm mind and an open heart. An open heart isn't just about kindness to others or yourself. It's about allowing buried emotions, recent or long past, to resurface. You may do one, but you must do all to find your true nirvana.